Welcome to Cofimvaba.
Here in the rural areas, particularly here in Chrisani area, Cofimvaba, and all other 8 municipalities, we have got a situation whereby there's a lot of impoverished people. So now the government has seen it in their best interest into developing projects and cooperatives to sort of combat the poverty. But now these projects are actually being furnished with a lot of infrastructure and money to start production, and then there's no end results. They are not sustainable. Our solution is that we are doing value chain creation for these projects, from production up to the stage whereby it's marketed and distributed to the final consumer. We are in the process of funding an abattoir, which is going to be act as a market for these projects. We're also going to be doing a hatchery, which is going to produce the day-old chickens implements in this case, and also a feed plant, which is also going to supply feed to all these projects, ensure that they also benefit in the process of the value chain, because they are also going to be shareholders. This is where the whole thing started. The infrastructure costs about 200,000 to set up. The Department of Social Development facilitates the funding, and then they approach us to come and install the infrastructure and do capacity building in terms of training and skills development for the projects. The way we go about marketing these programs is that we distribute to the local outlets such as your Spar and Boxer. The local municipality here is also assisting the projects with packaging material. So now the eggs get packaged and then they go to the existing Spars. This is Mamushumi and this is Mamunomga. They are 2 of the beneficiaries of our program. Our program, currently we're working with 112 projects with 1,608 beneficiaries. Our program is currently giving an additional income of 1,000 rands per beneficiary per month. This is the current infrastructure for the layer chickens. 52 of our projects are all assembled like this. The infrastructure was assembled by us. They are housing 400 chickens on this layer cage. The current production is 800 eggs a day. Each chicken lays 2 eggs a day. The project is making 24,000 rands a month. There is current demand from the existing market, which means that the project needs to grow their production. Now, this is one of our responsibilities as Gelemo, to ensure that the project gets an extra house so that they can increase the production. Our future plans for this program is that we intend growing these projects to a point whereby they are self-sustainable, and so that they can better the lives of the beneficiaries even more. We also intend on involving hawkers in our program, because our research shows that hawkers are one of the biggest buyers in the Eastern Cape in these rural areas of the agricultural products, from vegetable to chickens. So we intend on formalizing these hawkers and getting them into working with us so that they can also reinvest in their buying. Our growth at Gelemo is very immense. The sky is the limit. We believe that we will impact a lot on people in rural areas, women, youth and disabled people. We believe that this program speaks directly to what we are doing. The opportunities are there and we are going to grow beyond the limit.